This video is AMZChief tutorial. Account setting. Task setting. Add your Amazon accounts. Add a random category name to distinguish accounts. Import multiple accounts. Format like below listed. In TXT or CSV file. Or add account one by one, add information. Here you can set the email information to receive verification code if needed. If you add a new account, input address, claim code, credit code. If you need to do buy products action in task settings, here input the information. This software can use the information inserted to register a new account. Profile group and profile name stands for the proxy and proxy management. I will show you at the next step. Add a group to bind proxy and fingerprint. Like this. Select the proxy and account. Click Start Bindings. Here you can change the account status. You can judge the account status based on the column number. Log in Amazon and email. The software will log in Amazon automatically, but you have to log in and email manually. Just need to log in once. The software will save the cookies. Did not delete those two debug windows. Second part. Task management. First function. Register account. Input a random task name. Select register account. Set register number. Select website. Get information from category. Means choose the information added in account setting. Bind address. Bind credit card. Bind claim code. The procedure of those three functions is the same. When you have added the address, credit card, claim code in account settings, you can use those functions to bind to your account. Back to binding function. Select account. OK, done. Search products. Search products, then simulate human action. Like add to cart, view the comment, etc. Select account. You can choose search through Amazon, from Google, from external link, or direct access page. Here you can choose the product category, but it only works when you choose website Amazon.com. Input the keywords matched with product. Percentage means the proportion that the software used this keyword to search. Input the ASIN. You can input multiple ASIN through Google search. If you put the keywords here, when the software opens Google, we'll use this keyword. If not, use the keyword in the next procedure to search. Same procedure as before. You can also set the proportion to use which way to search. For searching from an external link, direct access are the same procedure as before. Set proportion for the following action or action group. Add operation or add for management, I will talk about it later. Add an operation group, insert a random name. Many actions simulating human action. Add the ASIN you want to add to cart. The setting at the right side. Here I add some other action groups. Select the group. Input the allocation proportion. Means the possibility that the software use this action group. Another option, distribution of each action. I add action here. Select actions. Input the allocation proportion. Make sure the total proportion equals 100%. Let's see how the software running. I used through Google search as an example. Although I did not need to search from Amazon, but I need to select the correct domain because the software will check the account login status firstly. I have added those settings. Click Start to run this task. Website is opened. The software will check the login status firstly, just like I said. Search the keyword in Google. Enter into Amazon. Green stands for the task has been running successfully. How to search for ads. Input task name. Select account. Select website. Set maximum search page number. Input keyword. Proportion. ASIN. Set action proportion as the search product function settings. Manager Prime. Cancel or become Prime. Only when we tick the refund in the buy action. So we can this refund function. In this area, corresponding information will appear at this area. You can set schedule time here. Drag the line. If If you have many accounts needed to add information, bind information in this area at one time, import format like this. Here you can add some action groups that can be used in task management. Here you can choose I added a data management just now. That's all. Thanks for watching.